What are your preparations that you did to portray your role effectively? Is this a challenging role for you? Siguro ako yung naging preparation ko to prepare for my role is just yung pagiging konyo. Kasi hindi talaga ako konyo, guys. Pero medyo, yeah, like, dude, pare, I'm not really konyo eh. Not even a little bit. Not even a little slight. Charot lang. So yun, I guess, yun yung pinaka-preparation ko.
Tsaka 'di ba syempre yung bukod sa nagbasa tayo ng books, ako nabasa ko buong series. Nag-workshops din kami before kami mag-start po ng taping ng shoot. Nagkaroon din kami ng workshops. Tapos pati script reading with Direk, Guy, and the production and yung sila Ate China, yung creatives. Ayun. Kayo guys.
Ako ang preparation ko siguro noon is yung first day actually yung preparation ko talaga. Kasi kung paano timplahin si Luna as a character din. Kung paano gusto ni Direk si Luna. And so, mas dun ko minomold yung character ko dun sa first day. Para in tune na kami dalawa ni Direk.
Yeah. Yeah, for me, I mean, it was mostly on the workshop. And of course, as she said, for me, it was even not just the first day, like, let's say like probably like the first week that we were like working together. It's like Calix is not really far from my personality, but at the same time, it's like there are certain lines or certain nuances that I wouldn't do personally. And so it's like there was definitely times that Direk was like adjusting some nuances and he's like, that's not Calix, that's Marco, you know. So yeah.